friends? That
Seb and CJ.
Seb. Oh, friends na kayo ni Seb?
Why 7 CJ?
Seb.
And CJ.
Ay, iba pala si, Seb pala kay Trinity pala yun. Who's CJ? Si Yuri, classmate mo si Yuri or hindi?
Na.
Na.
How many friends do you have now?
I lost count. I don't wanna count it again.
How about you, ate?
May new classmate ba kayo, Trinity?
Oh yeah, si Tanya and si
Dalawa?
Dalawa lang. Did the teachers...
3 boys? Both are girls. Eh, sa kabila may bago? Hindi mo alam. Hindi ka nakikipag-usap kay Tamara. Si Tamara sa kabilang section Hindi ka rin tatanong kay Tamara. Hindi ka rin may message kay Tamara.
You're still eating ice cream.
I'm done.
Where did you put the stick?
I am broke.
How about... Did you buy ate some ice cream?
Of course not. Primo ka.
Ate can get 2 ice pops. And I only get 1. Ate gets 2 ice pops na lang. Jeremiah. They see me floating. They hate it. They see me floating. Why would they be?
You know what happened to Bethel School?
Na,
What's better?
trauma lang yun.
Eh, kaya nga dapat maging prepared sila kung ganun mangyayari.
What's better school?
Nothing, it's gory.
Ha?
Is it the school they reserved?
Yes, before. Yes.
Better yet, what does it mean to be strong?
Init pa.
To destroy your enemies? To never
Ay,
be
5 na.
to ask how you flourish? The list could go on. I fought my fair share.
Pabatid. What's this pabatid? What
Pwede
does it
mo
say? Bawal mong park?
Having trained for
What does it say?
I've reached
Parada.
the answer.
Ha?
Parada at pagtinda.
It has nothing to do with fear
Ito ba yun?
or relationships.
Yan yung record. Pero hindi masarap yun.
Doon. Sa kabila.
Siguro tingnan natin sa kabila.
To be strong.
Dito yung labasan ng school eh.
I'll just show things. Try to see.
Gusto ko lang shawarma dito.
Okay lang.
Dos stars. Ba't hindi ka doon?
Naiikot ako eh. Dala ko ng malaking space. Sumakto ako.
Ay, bumaba kayo Magpapatay ng
Aircon. Mas wala tayo puwan dito. Yung rider
Hindi mo tayo
eh.
magtatagal. Halika na, magmerienda na. Baba na.
Go buy some
Wek.
Balcom. Where's my cup?